Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
America United Democratic Party na Mokayao Constituency ba nu Jorki Sungoh hagajing keranjung hagiyen dor barthau anjong gajela uladawa naga sarkar ba hagathai mukro gadiben bo ya Ktem Pulit dan ka border outpost hagajaka badiben bo kanang bagi Paidbah kin Shngaiñ namar bakum bakalong menta Ktem Pulit kebedan mukro kam ajing Shngaiñ ya ki Paidbah Ula ajing mut ya ka sarkar berkadiban bu ya ka border outpost hamutha siang khwai kajaka kebadan mar senda berka Assam kenang bagi Paidbah kin Shngaiñ bakin lait negajing syak pendik hagi Pulit klau ka Assam kebuju krong khajana negi dong snong ka mukro habaki ket ya ki marap jongki Ula dawaru baga sarkar kadiban segno ya ka secondary school mukro namar bahaduk mentaru kampat dan tangkuwe ka secondary school ru bagi kena ki hab ban beteng ya ka jing Pulit jongki daga blecha baratu ni chajuai bat shashelong Ula dawaru baga sarkar kadin penbiang iki surok Shngaiñ hamukro baban ai boarding no iki Shngaiñ lumpalang ke bahaduk mentaru kadang thang do mamati namal baga sarkar kampat laun penbiang boarding haba jubab ya kani usumbut menteri rang ba ka jela wa preston tensong ula ong baga sarkar ka sasim khalut ya kita baro ki bo MLA ula Sungoh yen dorbar ba ula ong ru bagi don kimat ki baga sarkar kadang yakren baga sarkar Assam ben penbe ya kejinga kaja
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, for giving me this opportunity to raise this call attention motion. And, sir, I would like to call the attention of the Deputy Chief Minister in charge of District Council Affairs under Rule 54, Sub-Rule 1 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to the news item published in Shngaiñ dated 10 January 2025 under the caption Bomla Yada Nagajing Ledan Boa ke Assam and boycott Kemukro Yaga election MDC. Mr. Speaker, sir, Deputy Speaker, sir, I rise to garner the understanding of this August House on a very crucial problem that is faced by my constituent over the past 4 decades. Sir. So the people of Mukro, as we are all aware, they are inhabiting the land well within the boundary of our state, sir. But however, sir, they have been made to believe that they are out of the confines of the state of Meghalaya. The lack of security after the inauguration of the border Barato outpost does not suffice the immediate requirement of a border outpost at 0 point at Mukro village, sir. This being viewed as a slow attitude of the government, and thereby the village Dorbar on the 9th of January 2025 resolved to boycott the recently concluded MDC elections. Sir. But however, sir, thanks to the interference of the district administration of West Chaiti Hills district, who interact with the local headman along with the Dorbar on the 10th of February 2025, and assured them that a border outpost at 0 point in a location named Mutha Siangkwai is in the offing, and thereby the same boycott was called off by the villagers. Mr. Speaker, sir, Deputy Speaker, sir, if I was to lay a picture before you, I am certain that you will acknowledge the backwardness of Mukro village. I think most of us here, we have only been to Mukro village after that November 2022 incident where 5 persons lost their precious soul in that firing incident, sir. I think we have seen the condition, the living standard of the people, the various developmental activities that need to be addressed in Mukro village. So for this very reason, I would like to bring to the notice of our Honorable CM, sir, through you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, the urgent need that the village, the people of Mukro need urgently. That is number one, sir. Although we have, from the government side, we have tried and we have provided so many road projects in Mukro, but till then, sir, it is not enough. So there's some locality in Mukro village which are yet to get a proper road connectivity. So, sir, I would like to urge upon our Honorable Chief Minister to kindly consider this proposal to grant sanction for construction of some more internal road in Mukro village. And point number 2, sir, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to bring to the notice of our Honorable CM that Mukro village, despite being a very big village, the total number of households in Mukro, it crossed 600 households, sir. But it is sad to know that till now, there is not even a single secondary school in Mukro, sir. So students from Mukro, they have to travel all the way to Barato, which is around 5 to 6 kilometers away from Mukro village, or some of them, they have to travel all the way to Jawai to Shillong for their secondary level studies, sir. So this is one another point, sir, that I would like to bring to the notice of the CM. And another point, sir, with regard to electrification, sir. As we have seen recently in one social media, sir, they went to one locality named Lumpalang in Mukro village, where they show that till now, the people in Lumpalang locality, they are yet to get electricity. Until now, they are using candle in the night time, sir, because there is no electricity connection in Lumpalang locality. So therefore, sir, this is another point that I would like to bring to the notice of Honorable CM with regard to the developmental activities that need to be addressed in Mukro village. So on the other hand, it is also noteworthy to comment on the border outposts and also the temporary border outposts set up just within 1 kilometer away from Mukro. It is not in compliance with the security need of the affected citizenry, sir. So further, I would like to bring to the knowledge of this House that the age-old area of livelihood by way of agriculture practices of the resident of Mukro, known as Chlochnong, is 8 kilometers away from the village, sir. And during the last 25 years, as I've raised the issue time and again, Assam government set up one forest check gate just 5 kilometers away within the Venice city, sir. And due to this forest check gate that was there in Mukro, forest check gate of Assam, people has been harassed from time to time by way of unaccounted payment of taxes for transportation of their produce. And so this has been a bleeding thorn in the livelihood of our people, because their firewood, daily food, and other basic requirements are born from this age-old land belonging to the village, which is 8 kilometers away from Mukro. Sir, it is also noteworthy to mention that as per notification TAD/R/31/50/148 dated 19 April 1951, signed by the then Chief Minister of Assam, Chief Secretary of Assam, A.D. Pandit, which clearly stated that this land belonged to Meghalaya. And this notification also, sir, it clearly stated that Mutha Siangkwai is the 0 point between Assam and Meghalaya, and I even have the copy of the notification with me, sir. Therefore, sir, through you, I would like to once again request our Honorable Chief Minister to kindly look into the need and the cry of the people of Mukro. Number one, sir, as I've mentioned earlier, the construction of some more internal road in Mukro village. Number two, the setting up of a secondary school in Mukro village. Number three, the electrification of some more locality which are yet to be electrified in Mukro village. And number three, which is very important, sir. As assured by the district administration during the meeting which was held on the 10th of February 2025 with the local Dorba, they have assured them that a BOP or a border outpost will be set up at 0 point, which is at Muthas Yangkwai. So this is very important, sir. So I would like to urge upon our Honorable Chief Minister to kindly look into the matter, sir. And also, sir, I would like to take this opportunity and also put a request again to the Honorable CM, because this issue is very much related to the problem of the people. And there's a great hope, sir, that if Shngaiñ block will be upgraded to a civil subdivision, most of the problem that the people reside in border area will be solved, because once a civil subdivision is set up, we know that the administration is closer to the public. Therefore, sir, I would like to shorten my speech, and with this, in conclusion, sir, my submission is that I most humbly request the government to kindly consider this request for the larger interest and well-being of our state, so that the billion-dollar economy will not only benefit the urban citizenry, but also encompass our rural folks as well. Because without the rise of rural economy, which account for nearly 79% of the state populace, the vision of a strong state economy is but its dream. With this very few submissions, sir, I would like to resume my seat. And once again, sir, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Minister in charge, to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, at the outset, I take this opportunity to thank the Honourable Member of the Jaka's House, Shri Nujorki Sungoh, MLA from Mukayao Constituency, for tabling this calling attention motion under Rule 54 Sub 1 clause of the Procedure and Conduct Business under the caption Bomla Eda Nakajingle Donbor Assam on boycott Kamuk Ro Yaka election MDC. Sir, on the 10th January 2025, the headman and secretary of Mukro village submitted a petition to the Deputy Commissioner West Chanti Hills District stating that the village robber in a meeting held on the 9th January 2025 had decided to boycott the MDC elections 2025. Mr. Speaker, sir, upon receiving the petition, the Deputy Commissioner West Chanti Hills took immediate action and convened a meeting on the 17th February 2025 in Mukro village with representative of the community. During the meeting, the current status of the border settlement process was explained, and assurances were given that the district administration and police are making every effort to safeguard the safety and security of the border residents. Sir, the Superintendent of Police with Chanti Hills has also been closely monitoring the situation. At the CSP level border meeting was held on 31st January 2025 and also 14 February 2025. During both the meeting, detailed discussions conducted on the overall security of the Meghalaya-Assam border, with the Assam authorities assuring their cooperation in maintaining peace and order. The district administration of West Chanti Hills, including the police department, are working tirelessly towards ensuring peace and tranquility prevails in the area. Their timely intervention in most of the disputes has undoubtedly prevented further escalation of the situation. Sir, as a result of this effort, the residents of Mukro village reconsidered their decision and agreed to participate in the elections. The campaigning process was conducted smoothly and the situation is being closely monitored to ensure continued peace and security in the area. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am pleased to inform the members of this August House that the general elections to the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, which was held on the 21st February 2024, the percentage of voter turnout from 12 Baratu Mukro constituency was 84.63%. Sir, this figure speaks highly of the efforts that have been undertaken to ensure that people residing along the interstate border exercise their rights to vote. Furthermore, several efforts have been made to resolve the border disputes involving both the state governments and community leaders. Government of the day has also sanctioned quite a number of border outposts throughout the state. In addition to this, the government of the day had also sanctioned 9 new police outposts in the state to resolve the dispute issues when it arises. Sir, the government remains committed to protecting the rights and security for the border residents, and necessary steps will continue to be taken to address their concern. Sir, as also mentioned by the Honorable Local MLA from Mokayao, the issues for developmental programs, yes sir, government has already noted down those issues raised by the Honorable Member, and also relating to the ongoing regional committee of both the states for the second phase discussion and dialogue. I am very sure in the second phase of the discussion, the dialogue which is to be made both sides of the states from Meghalaya as well as from Assam, we will be able to resolve these long pending issues, and we will be able, I am very sure, to resolve it permanently. So sir, we are committed to make sure that the interstate boundary and the villages which is nearby these interstate boundaries will be able to properly and peacefully earn their livelihood as well as do their actual duties as required from day to day. So sir, I would once again like to thank the honourable member of this August House, Shri Nujor Singh K. Sungoh of Mokayao Constituency, for tabling this call attention motion under the prescribed rules. With this clarification, sir, I resume my seat.
Thank you. But Nujoki Sungoh, MLA, you may seek one clarification.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity again. So thank you to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, for the extensive reply that has been given. But there's one more point, sir, that I would like to request upon the government. Because till now, as we all aware, that the border, the discussion between the two states is going on, between Assam, the regional committee, between Assam and Meghalaya, it is still going on. But on the contrary, sir, from the Assam side, there's one new construction that is going on. And it's just along the roadside, sir, just maybe around 5 to 6 kilometers away from Mukro. So while the discussion is still going on, we would like to urge upon the government, sir, to kindly initiate through the district administration or directly through the chief secretary level to kindly request the Assam government to stop immediately the construction that they are undertaking now in Mukro village in a locality named Salang, sir. So this is going on as of now, sir. I have a video with me. So this is one very important point, sir, that I would like to request upon the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, to kindly urge the Assam government to stop the construction that is going on in Salang locality of Mukro village, sir.
Sir, point noted. And in fact, as per the decision taken between both the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Chief Minister of Assam, in case of any disputes arises, be it in the implementation of developmental activities, programs, this and that, both the parties will have to sit down in the level of Chief Secretary and also up to the level of the Deputy Commissioner and SP level. So, sir, I assure the honourable member that these committees will truly sit down across the table and work out for solution so that the kind of differences does not exist in these areas, sir.